This is a brief video to show you how to set up your document using Turabian formatting. To begin, we will start by clicking on the View tab and turning on our ruler. This will show us our tabs and indentation information. Click on the Home tab and click on the paragraph formatting so that we can see our paragraph settings. Click on this little arrow here in the paragraph ribbing section, and we're going to set our spacing to double spacing. We go down to line spacing, double, and then we can set as default so we don't have to change it again, and we'll do it for this document only in case you have one that needs to be single spaced. For Turabian formatting, you want to go a third of the way down the page to type your title, so that's 7 carriage returns, 7, and then you want the title in bold and centered. Click return, and then you put your subtitle. And sometimes the title will have a colon after it. You can look at your syllabus and look in the Turabian format document to see how specifically you should format your document. We're going to go another third of the way down the page to type our name, so we're going to enter in 7 more carriage returns. And turn off the bold, type our name, the course information, and the date. Now here is where you would enter a section break if you do not have a table of contents. So in this example, we will enter in the section break. You go up to the menu, click on Layout, click under the drop down for breaks, and go down to where it says section break and click Next Page. This puts a section break in your document. Go back to the home. We're going to go back to the left, and we will create an outline so that we can set up our page numbering. So we'll click enter a couple times, and for our outline, you click on the drop down for the bullets, and it depends on how you want your outline number. You select that, and we're just going to put in some sample information. Introduction, subject, body, idea 1, idea 2, idea 3, conclusion. And we can get rid of this last one, and we'll go up here and go to insert and page break. So we'll just pretend that our introduction is going to be on this page. Go to home, and if you are creating a table of contents, you want to use styles. So I'll show you how to use the style so you can see what I'm talking about. You can go over to the right hand corner, click on the little arrow there, and you want to select heading 1 style. Click on the drop down, modify, and the heading is usually still in Times New Roman 12, bold. It's usually going to be in black, single space, centered, and single spaced, and that's it. You click OK. Go up here, click heading 1, and type in introduction. Click return, and we'll do an insert, page break, go back home, click on heading 1, and now we'll do the subject body, return, and then insert, page break, and then we have home, heading 1, idea 1, return, insert, page break, go back home, heading 1, idea 2, return, insert, page break, home, heading 1, idea 3, insert, page break, and then conclusion. We go back home, return, insert, page break, and then usually you have your bibliography. So we'll go back home, heading 1, bibliography. And now we're ready to go back up and do our page numbering. We'll close this style here. We can turn off our paragraph markings. Add a couple extra spaces after that. And now we want to click on the title. Since we're clicked on the title page, we click insert. We go up to page numbering, format page. Since we don't have a table of contents, we're going to use regular numbering, and it's going to start at 1, so we don't have to enter it, but we can say start at 1, and we click OK. If we go down here, we see there's no page numbering because it's a two-step process. We go back up, click on bottom of the page, plain number 2, and click there. And you'll see now our title page has a 1, and the next page is 2, but we don't want the title page to have 1. So we go up here. Once you've created a page number, this design tab will show up. It will not be there until you do that. And we click that, and it removes the page number 1 from the title page. And then you still have your first page as page 2, which you may want it to start at 1. So you click on that page number 2, click on page number, format page number, go back over here. Now you want to make sure you click on the start at, because you want it to start at 1, and you click OK. And you scroll back up, and you'll see that your title page is still blank. And the key is, we can close this, the key is that, oops, you don't need to see that part, this section break here. It allows you to do different page numbering formats on the pages that are after the title page. So I'll leave you with this little section right now so you can understand and follow this. And then the next time I'll go into how to use a table of content and do the I on the next one. And ignore this pause and stuff. This is just my recording in PowerPoint. So now I'm going to have to pause